Hello everyone and welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect ChatGPT with HubSpot. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to click on the bottom left hand side and then go to settings. From here you're going to go to plugins. From here you're going to say browse plugins, and you are going to use the search bar to look for HubSpot. Now, once you find the HubSpot plugin, all you have to do really is to click on it, and here you're going to see this button that says install plugin. So you should be able to click on it. The system will ask you to sign in to HubSpot, and that's how you can connect basically HubSpot with ChatGPT. So once you reach this point, all you have to do really is to log into your HubSpot account. Then that's how you connect it to ChatGPT. And from that moment onwards, you should be able to use ChatGPT to work with your HubSpot account. What can you do with it? Many things, but in general, you should be able to retrieve entries, to go through your customer emails database, and many more things. You can have a conversation with ChatGPT and you can find out how ChatGPT can help you to work together with HubSpot. So that's it. One more time, very quickly, you click on the bottom left hand side, you go to settings, you go to plugins, you go to browse plugins, you use the search bar to find the HubSpot plugin, you click on the HubSpot plugin, you click on install plugin. From here, you log in to HubSpot, you sign in with HubSpot, you allow ChatGPT to access your HubSpot account, and that's it. That's how you can link HubSpot with ChatGPT. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.